What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete a Facebook page using the mobile app. If you've created a Facebook page and no longer need it, you can remove it permanently in just a few steps. Start by opening the Facebook app. Then, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Pages. This will show you all the pages you manage. Now, select the page you want to delete. Once you've switched to the page, tap the menu icon again in the bottom right. Then, tap the gear icon in the top right to open your page's settings. Once you're in the settings screen, go to the search bar and type Access and Control. This is the quickest way to find the exact setting you need. Tap on a result that says Access and Control. Here, you will be taken to a screen with options to deactivate or delete the page. If you just want a temporary break, you can choose to deactivate it, which hides the page but allows you to bring it back later. If you're sure you want to remove it permanently, tap on Delete Page. Facebook will now guide you through a few final steps. They will remind you that you can download or transfer any page data, such as posts or messages, before deleting it. If you're ready to proceed, tap Continue, and when prompted, enter your Facebook password to confirm the deletion. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.